last one, guys. So we got Kiwi dollar here. Broke below the zone. Still bearish, way below this moving average. I like the bear position here. Struggling to break above this area here, but then you have this bottom one here. So as far as a short position, you can see I wrote this to come up and then pull back, which it came very close, and then boom, pulled back. So that marker is very accurate. That's nice. You can see you got this big 4-hour candle, came up, almost touched this zone, the 612 area, pulled back, and now you got this other 4-hour candle, which still has about 3 hours left, and it pulled down to this zone and then pulled back up. So price is really deciding what it wants to do, but I think the short side is favored because look at this price action. So from here, from all the way up here, guys, look, you got higher, or you got lower lows, lower highs, boom, 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 lower low versus this one, lower high printing. So I think this is a good short. I think it's probably a good short now, just depending on where you want to place your stops. You know, above this zone, above these wicks actually would be great. At that time, price will be, or your stop would be above this moving average as well, because this will catch up a little bit. I think you'd be good for that. I do think, you know, especially looking at the other Kiwi pairs, I mean, they're bearish, they're selling off, so I think this one would be, you know, the exact same pretty much. So I do think this is a good short now, or if price comes back up to 612, short it. Just keep your stops above this area. You can see this low versus this one here, this segment. So I do think that this is a good short position. If we look on these smaller time frames, yeah, what you could do, just be super cautious here. So you got on this 1 hour, which is not as significant as the 4 hour by any means, but you do have some higher high price action here. So this is kind of bullish, this structure, but now price is rejecting this moving average, pulling back a little bit. So we can wait. You can wait for some more lower highs, lower lows if you want before entering. I mean, there's no rush. Again, there's never a rush to enter trades. Promise you, you'll, like, generally if you just wait a little bit, you'll probably be better off. Yeah, you might miss some entries, but like, at least you're not going to get burned horribly by being early. So yeah, you could wait a little bit longer for this if you wanted, but I do think it's a good short now. I think basically if you took like an option type mindset and just shorted this now, because you're anticipating it being worth less by the end of the month, which is what I'm doing, I think you'd be right. So I think yeah, shorting this now or letting it come back up to 612 would be good too. Totally up to you, but definitely a good short on Kiwi dollar right now. So that's all I got, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking and subscribing. I'm getting a ton of support. I really appreciate it. This channel is growing so fast, and I love the comments. I love helping people enter their trades. If you need more help, I do have a private WhatsApp group, so you can get in on that and send me all your setups, any ideas you have, anything that you need more you know, more knowledge about. I can help you with that. So just take advantage of that service if you want, if it makes sense to you, and if you need the help. So yeah, I'd love to help. Anyone that's looking for it, anyone that's seeking out, you know, information regarding trading and economics and wants to better themselves, better their lives, better their families. I mean, I'm all about helping them. So that's all I got. Thank you, guys.